So now I will be teaching you on how to register to Paymaya. Hey guys, Dennis here again and welcome to another video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Click the bell icon so you can receive notifications whenever I uploaded a new video. Make sure to join also our Facebook group. It's free. Just click the link in the description below. So now I will be teaching you on how to register to Paymaya. This is an update with my previous video. The previous video is in the description below also. But this is an update. So first, go to Play Store, look for Paymaya. If you're on iPhone, that's the same. Go to App Store and look for Paymaya. Install it. So while we're waiting for the installation of this Paymaya app, make sure to subscribe because my next video will be also on how to register to GCash. So if you're waiting for that tutorial, the step-by-step tutorials on how to register to GCash like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can receive notifications. And by the way, if this video reaches 100 likes, I will be giving 100 pesos to one person that commented like below. So the instruction is also on the description below. So now that the app has been successfully installed, open the Paymaya app. Okay. You can read that if you want, but just click on Start and click Allow. And then click on Register. Enter your first name. So by the way, this name is fake, so don't copy this one. And this mobile number is also not my mobile number, so don't try to hack this Paymaya account because the first tutorial that I made, there are lots of person that is trying to reset my password and I'm getting emails on that. So create a password. Make sure to add a capital letter and a number. So by the way, on the mobile number, no need to put the 0 at the front of the mobile number. So by the way, again, this account is for tutorial purpose only. Never try to hack this account because I am getting emails on that. And enter the email address. That is optional, but I advise for you to put email address so you can easily reset your password. But for now, I will not enter my email address, so I will not receive any notification whenever someone try to reset the password of this account again. So click on Continue and Agree. You will receive a verification code from Paymaya. Just enter that here. So if the mobile number is already in your cell phone, it will be automatically entered on the verification space. And then click Verify. Okay. Then I'll add money later. Allow. And that's it. You already have a Paymaya account. So in the next video, I will be showing you on how you can activate the virtual card. And if you know how to upgrade your Paymaya account, you can also check my other video on how to upgrade the Paymaya account for free. I already have a tutorial on that. So again, my name is Dennis. Thank you for watching, and as always, make sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, and have a great day.